Hey Dan, have you finished cleaning in there?
Huh? Oh, almost, honey. Yeah, I've been cleaning all morning, you know.
You've invited a lot of people over. You better get busy.
Oh, that's no problem at all, honey. It's only 30 or 40 Injik folks, and you know, these parties practically run themselves.
I can't do it all.
Yes, dear.
Dan, look inside. I think the groundhog is back under my car.
Yeah, groundhog, groundhog, groundhog. Yeah, groundhog, groundhog, groundhog. Come here, groundhog. Where are you? Where are you? Come on out, little groundhog. I don't see you. That doesn't mean you're not there. Where are you? I'm gonna get you. Now there is no way he got to that wood line without me seeing him. Where are you, groundhog? You're out here somewhere. Show yourself. Wait. Are you feeling lucky today, groundhog? Well, are you? You know what, groundhog? Buzzards gotta eat, same as worms.
You got me, Dan.
What's that sound?
Dan, did you hit the house? The air conditioner's not working anymore.
Oh no! No!